This is it. Welcome back to Velocity Invitational. I'm Austin. Welcome back to the Speed Phenom YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe. Today I'll be getting on track in a McLaren Elva hypercar. Plus, I'll be joined by McLaren Aero's newest IndyCar driver. Here at Sonoma Raceway, currently McLaren is celebrating 60 years. That means we'll be having all the models dating back 60 years ago on track. This is going to be an exciting moment and I can't wait to be a part of it. Let's link up with David, get his thoughts of joining the McLaren Aero IndyCar team, and find out what he thinks of this Elva on track too. This is the lightest ever road-going McLaren. Let's experience what it's like.
Here we are in the McLaren Elva. Okay, we're here with David. I really appreciate you taking me out in the Elva, dude. First time in the Elva on a racetrack. I can't wait. If you guys don't know, David just signed on with the IndyCar team, so that's next level, dude. Congratulations on that.
Thank you very much. Yeah, we're gonna have a blast here. Here we go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. It's gonna be fun, man.
Thank you. Have you driven an Elva before?
I've never driven an Elva before. This is my first time, so it's gonna be a new experience for me.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it's gonna go.
This is the lightest one they make, so it's nice.
So we should realistically be the best through the corners.
Are you a big fan of this track?
Actually, this is my first time here.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Whoa! It definitely is very light for sure.
This is a special car right here.
Very nice. An amazing day, man. And you can't ask for anything else. This is the life right here. Just a little bit of throttle and it's already going. I mean, what a view, right? I mean, seeing all of these McLarens, this is crazy.
I think they're trying to line up now to get those photos of all the years, right? From the earliest ones to the latest. Not a bad job at all.
Yeah, here we go. We can push it. It's so light and nimble. I mean, you just add a little bit of throttle and then immediately just...
Oh gosh. This is one of their early prototypes as well. I think it's one of their first ones that they said they made.
You can see everybody's trying to get little gaps going to try to...
I love seeing that rear spoiler just shoot up, man. The air brake. The thing about McLaren is they're able to develop the pure driver's supercar. So many cars coming out, man, they're getting heavier and heavier. This Focus, man, you know, on the track, weight is everything.
It's, yeah, very much everything. I mean, the lighter the car, the more control. It's crazy how much of a difference it makes.
Yeah, I got to come back out here with the 750, dude. I have to. I think that's going to be so fast here.
Yes, for sure. Yeah. So when are you going to get it?
It's in production right now. So it's like, this is the hard part.
I know,
you got to wait, right?
For it. You're going to take it to the track?
All the time. Laguna Seca, like Big Willow, all those tracks, man. I love it out there.
Just that little bit of throttle and it's already wanting to go.
Thank you again for taking me out first, man. I really appreciate it.
Of course. I wish they could let us, you know, be free. We could have a lot of fun.
Have you been in the McLaren Senna?
I just stepped inside of it, but I haven't driven it yet.
Oh.
But I heard it's an experience for sure.
Oh, yeah.
It is so light.
Oh man, it's hooked up. Nice driving.
Well, we need to go. This thing is a lot of fun.
Yeah, dude. How's the throttle modulation with the turbos in it?
Yeah, it's very smooth. when the turbo kicks in, it's honestly, it's not too much of a difference. In other cars, when the turbo kicks in, you have a big kind of jolt, and it really kind of throws you off guard. But this one has a very smooth transition when the turbo starts spooling.
Yeah, it's funny, there's two versions of this. There's one with a windshield and one without. Have you seen the one without?
Yeah, I have
It's
seen
pretty
the one
funny.
without. But it's amazing seeing that wing come up in the back.
I'm curious if it feels like, is it lacking in the downforce having?
It definitely is lacking downforce for
Yeah,
sure.
because IndyCar.
From like a speed standpoint to go through a corner, not a lot of downforce. Definitely going to be very on edge, but in a driving sense, it's a lot of fun in that perspective.
Yeah.
You know, with it being all light, very loose, there's a lot of play with the wheel. You know, you're playing around with the car, keep it under control. It's a lot of fun.
You got to get one next, man. Have it be your street car after this.
Yeah, exactly. And at the end of the day, tops down, you can chill out.
Oh, yeah.
Looking very chill over here.
How does the turn-in feel?
Honestly, it's very touchy, very light, very nimble. As soon as you turn in, it's very pointy. Like it almost feels like it wants to just kick the rear out all the time. So definitely from a comfortable standpoint, putting this on track, yeah, it's gonna be, you're gonna have a little bit of frightening moments, that's for sure.
You feel pretty confident in the rear?
Yeah, because it's so light, it's wanting the rear to move, but it's so controllable and you understand it.
Oh, that felt good.
It's the third gear. When third gear kicks in, the turbo spools, man, it's beautiful.
Wow. Was that full power?
That was full.
That felt good on that straightaway.
So light. I mean, going through those S's, you could just feel it wanting to go.
Yeah. So how excited are you for the races coming up?
Oh, I can't wait. I mean, the Aero McLaren team is incredible. Everybody there, although it's a big organization, it's very much family oriented, just so welcoming and friendly. It's going to be a great year. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Well, I can't wait to watch it. Guys, watch on NBC.
NBC, yes.
You guys got to watch David out there at the track. Congratulations again, dude. Thank you so much for the ride.
Of course.
I was more so speechless the entire time, just riding in the car.
Yes.
But to have a great driver like yourself behind the wheel, hey, it was a lot of fun. So congratulations.
Thank you very much. David Malukas, number 6, Aero McLaren Chevrolet. Make sure you guys watch out on IndyCar, NBC Sports, Peacock. See you there.
And its Instagram's on the screen.
Right here.
Wow, dude, I just got out of the McLaren Elva, guys. That was so much fun, especially being in the car with David. I was more so speechless for most of the time because, hey, you gotta be in a vehicle like this. A major thank you to McLaren, also to David for taking us out around Sonoma Raceway for those laps. The biggest takeaway I get with this vehicle is that power to weight ratio. Come on, 804 horsepower with a 2,800 pound curb weight. Just put that together. I mean, it's lighter than the Senna, it's lighter than the 765, it's lighter than all those cars, and it's got more power. So, just, yeah, when he got on power, the thrust from the turbos got spooled up. They felt spooled up actually the entire time. I didn't feel any turbo lag, and it hauled so fast. Coming to the left, it actually says XP12W. This is an early prototype McLaren Elva that they have been using for a while. I've seen on a few different occasions at different McLaren events that they put on. It's a very elegant vehicle, it really is. I love these beautiful side mirrors right here. And as you guys know, if you haven't seen the video, I briefly drove one of these, but not at speed, okay, not at high speed. Coming out of here, riding passenger with David, I could just feel how, even though it doesn't have the full top roof like a Senna, doesn't have a rear spoiler that big, this is more elegant, more streamlined. It's all about the flowing body and aerodynamic nature of having a roofless vehicle. Standard, these things don't even come with the windshield, and the one that I drove didn't have the windshield. So it's interesting because they designed a aerodynamic system on the front end to try to create a windshield with the aero, create a bubble, but having this windshield, I would say it's probably much more livable for those track driving sessions because all the air and the wind's not hitting you in the face. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Stay tuned for my 750S coming in. I cannot wait, that should be soon. It's in production, I believe, right now, so we shall see what happens. Hopefully soon, and then, hey, we got a ticket here. I want to see how fast that thing is. Obviously, it won't be Elva speed, of course, but it should be still very fast. Laguna Seca, here we come too. Like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, speed_Phenom. I'll see all of you in the next episode.